question number 3. Right, how much water is there in the beaker? Well, that's simple enough. You just read off the scale. We've got 750 millilitres. If James pours a half of the water out of the beaker, what volume is left? Well, we've obviously got to do 750 divided by 2. Using the bus shelter method, 2's into 7 is 3 remainder 1, so we're now looking at the 15. 2's into 15 is 7 remainder 1, we're now looking at the 10. 2's into 10 goes 5, so 375 is half of 750. What is the capacity of the measuring beaker when full? Well, there you go. When it's full, it's right up at the top, 1250. So 1250 millilitres. We've asked to give the answer in litres. There are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. So divide this by 1,000, or think about the numbers all moving columns, or even think about the decimal point hopping, which isn't the way you should do it, but it gets us the right answer. So if we just pop that along 3, we get 1.25. Now, for another experiment, James is 25% more water than when he initially started with. So we need 25% more than 750. So how do we work out 25%? Well, as I think I've said earlier on, always start off with 10%. So 10% is going to be 75. Another 10% will also be 75. 5% will be half of this, so 37.5. So consider these building blocks. So we need a 10, a 10 and a 5 to get our 25%. Add these 3 together, we get £187.50. So what is the total volume of water required? Well, we need the 750 we had to start with, plus this extra 187.5. I've added those together over here in red. Remember, again, line it all up, decimal points. When we're adding, start from the right. 0 add 5 is 5, 0 to 7 is 7, 5 and 8 is 13, so 3 carry the 1, 7, 8, and the 1 carried 9. So 937.5, 937.50 litres.